Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add reviews on Glassdoor. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to glassdoor.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your account. After logging in, look at the top of the page and click on Companies. This will take you to the company search section where you can find the organization you want to review. Next, click on the search bar and type in the company name you're looking to review. Once you've entered the name, click the search button right beside it. This will pull up a list of matching companies in the search results. From the results that appear, go ahead and click on the company you want to review. This will open up the company's Glassdoor profile page where you can view existing reviews and add your own feedback. Now click on Add a Review. This will open up the review form where you can share your experience working at the company. Glassdoor uses these reviews to help job seekers make informed decisions about potential employers. Start by giving your overall rating, usually on a scale of 1 to 5 stars. This rating reflects your general experience with the company and is one of the first things people see when they look at reviews. Next, select whether you're a current employee or a former employee. This helps readers understand the context of your review and when your experience took place. After that, click the drop-down menu to select your employment status. This provides additional information about your role and how long you've been with the company. Now, enter your job title in the designated field. Being specific here helps other people in similar roles understand how your experience might relate to theirs. Below that, enter the pros of working at the company. This is where you highlight the positive aspects of your experience, such as company culture, benefits, or work-life balance. Below that, enter the cons. Be honest but constructive here, sharing challenges or areas where the company could improve. Below that, enter your advice for management. This section gives you a chance to provide feedback directly to leadership about what could make the workplace better. Below that, enter your review headline. This should be a brief, attention-grabbing summary of your overall experience that captures the main point of your review. Before submitting, check the box beside I agree to the Glassdoor terms of use. This confirms that you understand and accept the platform's guidelines for reviews. Finally, click Submit Review. Your review will then be processed and published on the company's Glassdoor page, helping others make informed career decisions. And that's it. You've successfully added your review on Glassdoor. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.